Imagine an AI that can scan the internet, analyze markets, and predict which small idea will become the next billion-dollar company before it happens. While most people are guessing which startup will explode next, billionaires and investors are already using AI systems that tell them exactly where to place their money. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. The startup world used to run on intuition. Investors met founders, read business plans, and trusted their gut. But now, artificial intelligence has changed the game. There are AIs trained to read markets, social trends, patents, and even human psychology, capable of spotting hidden patterns that no human analyst could ever see. These systems don't guess, they know. From predicting which apps will go viral to identifying the next unicorn before it gets noticed, AI is quietly shaping the future of entrepreneurship and venture capital. Let's explore the 10 ways AI is predicting the next billion-dollar startups and how it's reshaping wealth, innovation, and opportunity. AI that scans global startup databases. AI systems now monitor millions of startups worldwide through databases like Crunchbase, AngelList, and PitchBook. They analyze funding patterns, founder backgrounds, product categories, and growth rates. By comparing these metrics across thousands of cases, AI can identify which startups mirror the early trajectories of giants like Uber, Airbnb, or OpenAI. It's pattern recognition at billionaire scale. AI that reads consumer trends before they go mainstream. Before a product trend explodes, AI already knows. By tracking social media conversations, online searches, and spending data, it predicts what industries are about to take off. This is how investors now spot markets like AI tools, health tech, and sustainable fashion before the public even catches on. It's not magic, it's math. AI that analyzes founders' behavior. The success of a startup often depends on the people behind it, and AI knows that too. By studying founders' LinkedIn histories, communication styles, and prior achievements, AI can predict leadership potential. Some algorithms can even assess resilience and ambition through tone analysis in interviews. Investors use this to identify founders who have the mindset to scale big. AI that monitors patent filings and research papers. Innovation leaves a paper trail. AI constantly scans patent databases and academic journals, detecting breakthrough technologies in early stages. Before the world knows a new field exists, AI can already map out who's building it. That's how investors find the next big biotech or clean energy company long before IPOs happen. AI that simulates market reactions. Once a startup idea is identified, AI can model how markets will react to it. It simulates consumer demand, pricing behavior, competition response, and scalability. This gives investors data-backed forecasts instead of risky guesses. It's like running the future through a supercomputer and picking the timeline where profits explode. AI that predicts viral growth. The next billion-dollar startup is almost always the one that goes viral. AI trained on millions of digital trends can predict which product designs, slogans, or ads will catch on. It understands emotional triggers, timing, and audience psychology better than most marketing teams. In short, it doesn't wait for virality, it engineers it. AI that detects funding patterns of major investors. Big money leaves clues. AI tracks the movement of top venture capital firms, analyzing how they invest, when they invest, and in what kinds of startups. When these investors start circling certain industries, AI detects the pattern instantly and alerts early-stage funds. It's how smaller players now beat billionaires at their own game. AI that evaluates business model. Viability. Not every good idea makes money, and AI knows that. These systems can project financial outcomes, estimate margins, and stress test business models under different economic conditions. If a startup passes the algorithm's viability test, investors know they're looking at a potential winner. It's a digital crystal ball for profitability. AI that tracks online momentum in real time. These AI tools constantly monitor media coverage, App Store rankings, traffic spikes, and influencer mentions. When a small company suddenly starts trending, AI detects the pattern hours, sometimes days, before the news breaks publicly. That early signal gives investors the advantage to act before valuations skyrocket. AI that predicts long-term industry winners. Beyond startups, AI forecasts which industries will dominate the next decade. By correlating consumer data, innovation cycles, and government investments, it predicts macro trends like green energy, biotech, and synthetic media. The startups in these sectors, identified early, often become billion-dollar empires. In short, AI doesn't just pick companies, it picks the future. For centuries, success in business depended on timing, instinct, and luck, but now data and AI are rewriting those rules. The investors of tomorrow won't rely on gut feelings. They'll rely on algorithms that see years into the future. While most people are waiting to get lucky, AI is already deciding which founders, industries, and ideas will define the next generation of wealth. The real question isn't if AI can predict the next billion-dollar startup. It's whether humans will still get to choose which ones succeed.